In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a small little toy drone, and this thing is awesome. You know, I kind of seen several of these around before, and I went ahead and picked me one of these up, and let's just kind of go over some of the specs on this thing. This is for kids, adults, beginners. It's a beginner type drone. I have a more powerful drone, and it's, you know, 1,000 times better than this thing, but this is good for training and just teaching someone on how to fly a drone. Let's go over some of the specs of this thing. It has one button, take off and take on, you know, up and down, and it has Wi-Fi, first person point of view. It's got photo and video. It's high pressure, whatever that means, high pressure. It's collapsible, so it folds down. It's got a speed switch, scrolls 360 degrees, and it has a headless mode. Headless mode is just with the steering. I did learn that. And on the back of it here, it kind of gives you some of the breakdown of the left joystick, the power switch, the adjustment, the short press. You do need a phone to run this, so you will have to download the app, and it has ISO and Google Play. It's got both the apps. It comes with the battery, a 1,000 milliamp portable battery, and a camera, 90-degree angle with a little small gimbal on it. So just looking over it, this thing can go up to, you know, control distance is 100 meters, 300 feet. That's pretty far as far as like a small toy drone. 90-degree, 1080p wide angle camera, 2.4 gigahertz radio technology, first person view, you know, under 6 meters, 60 meters, easily assembled camera. Let's just go ahead, you know, enough about the specs. Let's just look at this thing and see what we get here. Oh boy, I love it. What a nice package. So we don't even need that box. It all is contained in this nice little package here. Looking over it, wow, you know, looking at it, that looks very pretty. It is paper light. That is so light. Okay, that must be some sort of little antenna. You get 2 batteries here. Yeah, this would be great for like a beginner just learning. Look how they pretty much made it where you can see all of the stuff on there. Back here, it looks like you got speed switch, tricks, camera, 360. 360 is where it does the flips. We don't need that. Oh, this is going to need 3 AAA for the controller. And then the phone thing. Oh, the app. This folds out for the phone. See how it kind of like adjusts for the phone? I'll have to download the app and get some batteries for that. And it looks like this just slides in here. Oh, here's some more stuff up here. Yeah, so here's your charger. You get a little small charger to charge the batteries. A set of instructions. You know what? I know everything about a drone, but you will need to read this if you've never flown a drone before. Extra propellers and a way to change them. A little screwdriver, trust me. I break a ton of these things, so I know those do break off. That looks like little landing feet, actually. Let's see what these are. I don't know what that is. They're prop guards, I bet. Yep, I bet it's some sort of prop guard. Another control. Oh, so you got 2, you can charge both batteries at the same time. And then another one to download the QR code and how to set the thing up. Get it set up and let's go fly this thing and see how good it works. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I didn't even know it, but you don't have to download the app. This thing will fly with just the controller, which I think 90% of the people out here is going to do. They're going to fly with this controller. I did put the prop guards on, and those things just pop on right there. Put the battery in, and then you turn it on and off right there. It's really basic, very basic drone. And then, you know, there's a takeoff, a landing there, a photo mode, a 360. That's the headless mode, which changes the directions, which I like the basic directions of this. I highly recommend reading all of this and figuring it out. And that's the speed mode. And there's the on and off. So you can see it's red, it's on there. And then that's red, it's on there. And I think that's the antenna that goes to this thing. So yeah, to start it, push the sticks up. Bring both the sticks down. Uh-oh, hold on. So first off, you want to fold this out. When you fold this out, these just fold out like that. All of them folds out, and it's really nice and folded up. So to start it, I'm just going to go down on the sticks like that. Get back. And if you've ever flown a drone, you will know how to fly one. And then launch. And obviously it's not as like controlling as like say a DJI or something like that, but it's actually not bad. You can see right here, flying it, that's the up motion. And to keep it steady, you have to kind of adjust it a little bit. Like I said, it's not gonna be on par with like a DJI or something like that, but I think for learning basic controls of a drone, a kid would really like this, like a toy. See how I can go left, right, you know, different angles there, back towards me like that. And for its size and the price, it's actually way better than I thought, because I'm somebody that's got very familiar with drones. You can see how it goes right there. Oh, oh. So you can see it right there. You kind of get used to it. You start figuring it out. Like anything, it's going to have a little bit of a learning curve. Now, I'm not going to launch it up high. Let me go ahead and land it here. And yeah, landing, you just basically go down, up and down on it. Very fun. I think this would be a great gift for a small kid that's just trying to get into drone and learn the basics of drone. It weighs almost nothing, and the cost is very affordable. And then the controller, without even the app, the controller, you can use this. You can download the app and film some, but honestly, I say just run it like this. I think this is great for this. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, a toy drone. Check it out. Christmas present. See y'all next video.